Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, because today we have something extra special lined up for you. Today, I've got some sweet news for all you donut lovers out there. Whether you like them glazed, filled, or sprinkled, there's something for everyone. Guess what? It's almost National Donut Day, and I'm here to tell you how you can score some delicious freebies this June 6, 2024. This day is like Christmas for donut enthusiasts, and you definitely don't want to miss out. First up, let's talk about Dunkin'. This iconic brand has been serving up smiles and donuts for decades. If you're anything like me, just the thought of a Dunkin' glazed donut makes you start drooling. The perfect balance of sweetness and fluffiness is simply irresistible. Well, drool no more. This National Donut Day, Dunkin' is giving away a free classic donut with any beverage purchase. So whether you're a coffee addict or prefer a refreshing iced tea, you can enjoy a donut on the house. Yep, grab a coffee, snag a donut, and start your day off right. Imagine sipping your favorite drink while biting into a delicious donut as the sun rises. Moving on to Krispy Kreme, the king of donut giveaways. They never disappoint when it comes to celebrating National Donut Day. This year, they're stepping up their game. You can walk into any Krispy Kreme store and walk out with a free donut. No purchase necessary. That's right, just show up and claim your treat. And if you're feeling lucky, you might even snag their special edition donut, only available once a year. These limited time treats are always a hit, so keep your eyes peeled. And if you're a true donut aficionado, you know that these special editions are worth the trip. Now let's waddle over to Duck Donuts. Known for their made-to-order donuts, this place is a must-visit. They offer a free cinnamon sugar donut to every customer who waddles in. Freshly made and coated in cinnamon sugar, it's like a little piece of heaven. It's like a little taste of heaven, no strings attached. Just imagine the warm, sugary goodness melting in your mouth. Just show up, smile, and say, "One heavenly donut, please." It's that simple. Last but not least, let's not forget Sheetz. This convenience store chain is joining the donut celebration in a big way. Not usually the first name you think of when you hear donuts, but this year they're in on the action too. They're offering a free Sheetz donut with any purchase through their loyalty app. Sheetz is offering a free Sheetz donut with any purchase through their loyalty app. So if you're stopping for gas or grabbing a snack, don't forget to claim your free donut. It's a great way to make your pit stop a little sweeter, so if you're stopping for gas or grabbing a snack, don't forget to claim your free donut. It's a great way to make your pit stop a little sweeter. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and maybe even do a couple of donut-themed workouts to prepare, because on June 6th, the donut world is your oyster. Get ready to indulge in some of the best donuts around. Or should I say your donut box? This is the perfect opportunity to try new flavors and maybe even find a new favorite. All right, folks, that's it for today's delicious roundup. I hope you're as excited as I am for National Donut Day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future treats. We got plenty more sweet content coming your way. Until next time, keep those taste buds ready and your donut dreams big. Bye, and remember, life is always better with a donut in hand.